In case you haven't heard, I just heard recently that you can now cross-list your eBay items onto your Mercari account. So let's try it. So first you go to your Mercari account, your profile, right here. You click on your picture. Once you click on your picture, you go to My Listings. Click on My Listings. Once you go to My Listings, you go to Import Items. It's not on this side, y'all. Follow along. Go over to Import Listings. Click on Import Listings. So this is what it says on Mercari website when you go onto it. Simple cross listing using AI. AI everywhere, y'all. Ain't no avoiding it. Import your listings from eBay or Depop. I don't sell on Depop. I was thinking about it. You can list up to 3,000 things or just one thing at a time. I'm going to cross list my whole entire store. You can either choose Mercari to pay or you pay for shipping. I always choose Mercari because of the protection. You can have the buyer pay or you pay. I always have the buyer pay. I try to include that in pricing. So in order to make this happen, you go over to your store, your eBay store. You copy use your URL store link. Copy it. Just bear with me, y'all. Then you paste it over here in Mercari where it says enter your URL. So you paste it. Then you hit import listings. Once you hit import listings, AI goes to work. Just give it a few minutes to do everything, to read each other, connect, mingle, get to know each other, because now they're doing business. So now you'll get a pop-up that says listings are importing. It takes a few minutes for this to all take place, but you can follow along and I'll show you. So it says check import status. So I click check import status. It's reading. It says import your listings from eBay or Depop. So right now it's only 16 out of 103. You can always hit check import items to see if how many items have actually cross-listed over from eBay onto Mercari. This is a game changer. So I checked the status. I only see one item right now and showing up cross-listed. So let me know if y'all try this.